Hope theory, a fundamental concept in positive psychology, delves into the intricate nature of hope, its origins, and its profound impact on human life. Developed by psychologist C.R. Snyder in the 1990s, hope theory posits that hope is not just a fleeting emotion, but a cognitive process involving the setting of goals, the development of strategies to achieve those goals, and the motivation to pursue them despite obstacles. To understand hope theory, it's crucial to explore its historical roots. The concept of hope has been present in philosophical and religious traditions for centuries, highlighting its universal and timeless nature. However, it was only in the latter part of the 20th century that hope started to be rigorously studied and defined within the realm of psychology. C.R. Snyder, a pioneering psychologist, played a pivotal role in shaping the modern understanding of hope. His work emphasized the importance of hope as a psychological resource that enables individuals to cope with adversity, navigate challenges, and pursue meaningful goals. Snyder proposed a model of hope comprising two key components: agency and pathways. Agency refers to the belief in one's capacity to initiate action and make things happen. It involves setting clear goals and having the confidence to strive towards them. Pathways, on the other hand, refer to the ability to identify and pursue ways to reach one's goals. This involves developing realistic strategies and problem-solving skills. Hope theory has significant implications for positive psychology and mental health. Research has consistently shown that hopeful individuals tend to be more resilient in the face of setbacks, more motivated to overcome obstacles, and more likely to experience greater well-being. Hopeful thinking is also associated with lower levels of depression and anxiety, highlighting its role in promoting mental health. Moreover, hope theory has practical applications in various fields, including education, counseling, and healthcare. In education, fostering hope can lead to improved academic performance and a greater sense of purpose among students. In counseling, hope-based interventions can help individuals cope with trauma, grief, and other life challenges. In healthcare, hope has been linked to better treatment adherence and outcomes among patients. In conclusion, hope theory offers a powerful framework for understanding the role of hope in human life. By emphasizing the importance of goal setting, agency, and pathways, hope theory provides valuable insights into how individuals can cultivate hope and resilience in the face of adversity. As a cornerstone of positive psychology, hope theory reminds us of the transformative power of hope in shaping our lives for the better. Strategies for cultivating hope and optimism, as advocated by positive psychology, encompass a range of practices and perspectives aimed at enhancing well-being and resilience. These strategies are grounded in the belief that individuals can actively cultivate positive emotions and outlooks through intentional effort and mindset shifts. 1. Positive reframing. This involves consciously shifting your perspective to find the positive aspects of a situation, even in challenging or stressful circumstances. It can help you see setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning. 2. Gratitude practice. Regularly expressing gratitude for the positive aspects of your life can enhance feelings of hope and optimism. Keeping a gratitude journal or simply reflecting on what you're grateful for can be beneficial. 3. Setting realistic goals. Goal setting is a fundamental aspect of hope theory. By setting achievable goals and developing clear pathways to reach them, you can enhance your sense of agency and optimism about the future. 4. Cultivating positive relationships. Surrounding yourself with supportive and positive people can significantly impact your sense of hope and optimism. Building strong social connections and nurturing relationships can provide a sense of belonging and support. 5. Mindfulness and meditation. Practices such as mindfulness and meditation can help you stay present and reduce negative thinking patterns. They can enhance your ability to focus on the present moment and cultivate a more positive outlook. 6. Self-compassion. Being kind and compassionate towards yourself, especially in times of failure or hardship, can foster feelings of hope and optimism. Acknowledging your own worth and treating yourself with kindness can help build resilience. 7. Engagement in meaningful activities. Pursuing activities that align with your values and provide a sense of purpose can enhance feelings of hope and optimism. Engaging in hobbies, volunteering, or pursuing personal growth can all contribute to a sense of meaning and optimism. Number 8. Seeking professional help. In some cases, seeking the guidance of a mental health professional can be beneficial. They can provide tools and strategies to help you cultivate hope and optimism, especially during challenging times. By incorporating these strategies into your daily life, you can cultivate a more hopeful and optimistic outlook, leading to greater resilience and well-being.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.